Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer. In this video we are going to study about the features of Constitution of the United States of America. In our previous video we have talked about the sources, and in that video we have talked about the conventions or traditions or interpretations by Supreme Court there, and so many things, so many sources we have covered, we have talked about them. And today we are going to talk about the features of this Constitution of the United States of America. So let's understand. First one is the Constitution of the United States of America is a written and it is a brief constitution, and it contains only there are only 7 articles. And if we talk about the amendments, so total 27 amendments have been made to this constitution since the commencement of the constitution. And as compared to the this constitution, Indian constitution is the lengthy is so lengthy constitution. So first feature is that it is written and brief constitution, and it is an enacted constitution made by a constitution makers. Second feature is popular sovereignty. Popular sovereignty, we have earlier talked about it in our separate video. So popular sovereignty, that's mean democracy that's mean powers to the people. In the words of Abraham Lincoln, government by the people, for the people, of the people. And next one is republican form of government. So we all know what does it mean, republican form of government. Republic means where the in America, the president is here elected by the public. It is not they do not we do not find a hereditary system there in this regard. So the president is elected by the public, and therefore it is a republican form of government. Next one is supremacy of the constitution. So in America the constitution is supreme, and no one can violate the constitution. Everyone needs to follow the constitution, and no any law, no any act, or no any person or organization can violate this constitution. And next one is it is a rigid constitution. We have talked about it earlier. So the procedure to amend the constitution is so complicated, so hard, that it is almost impossible to amend the American constitution unless there is a need, there is a strong need or requirement to amend that constitution. This is the reason why only 27 amendments have been made so far. Next one is federal form of government. Although we will discuss about this federal form of government in our separate video, because we are to understand what does it mean and how the federal system works in America. But it can also show as a feature of constitution of the United States of America. Unitary form of government we find in Britain, but America sets an example for the federal form of government, and later the world adopted it through it as the it was the contribution of the United States of America to the world that this type of government is also possible. And next one is presidential form of government. Here we find the presidential form of government, and in Britain we see the parliamentary form of government. So presidential form of government we find in America, and because the constitution makers of this constitution wanted to establish such a system, such a political system in the country. Sorry, that should be democratic. Along with, there should be a government that is stable, that is quite strong to counter the challenges. And according to them, this is only possible if we establish the presidential form of government in the country. Therefore, all the judicial, sorry, executive powers are they kept in the hand of the president himself. Next one is judicial supremacy can be seen here, and in Britain there is the supremacy of parliament, but in America they follow the principle of judicial supremacy. And second one reason we have talked about when we talked about the sources of the Constitution of the United States of America, that interpretations by the Supreme Court or by the judiciary we find there. So judicial supremacy, it also works in this regard. And next one is separation of powers. Separation of powers can also be seen there. And checks and balances, we will talk about all these points in separate video. Separation of powers and checks and balances. Bill of Rights, which was the contribution of the United States of America to the world.